Yes, here I am going to show all the bones of skull. So when we see here skull bones, this one is called frontal bone. Frontal bone. So it is showing that the frontal bone location, and here it is parietal bone, and this one also two parietal bones, right? And then it is occipital bone, occipital bone, occipital bone. Okay, so we can see one frontal bone, two parietal bones, and one occipital bone. Along with that, here we will see temporal bone. This side one temporal bone, and here also temporal bone. Two temporal bones, like sphenoid bone. This one is sphenoid bone. When we see that, when we remove the bones of skull, so now we will see sphenoid bone. See the bone that we are observing here, sphenoid bone. So sphenoid bone is present at the base of the skull bones, mostly articulates to remaining skull bones of cranium. So that's why sphenoid bone is called keystone bone. Okay, right. And ethmoid bone we will see. Like ethmoid bone. See here, this is ethmoid bone. So the location of ethmoid bone you can see clearly here. Ethmoid bone. This is ethmoid bone. Okay. So total we observed now one frontal bone, two parietal bones, one occipital bone, sphenoid bone, one ethmoid bone, one temporal bones, two. So total, when we see total 8 bones which forms the cranium or brain box. 1, 2, 3, one frontal bone, two parietal bones, one occipital bone, 4 temporal bone, 1, 5 this side, and this side 1, 6 sphenoid bone, 7. The sphenoid bone is 1 only, that I shown base, and ethmoid bone also 1. Ethmoid bone also we can observe lower side, so ethmoid bone also 1. So ethmoid bone, this one. So ethmoid bone. Ethmoid bone. Okay. So total 8 ethmoid bones So total 8 cranial bones that forms the cranium or brain box. Okay.